I need a beg to differ. Taura zvamotaura comrade, but vamunangagwa vanozviziva zvese zvaumbabva zvese zviri kuitika. And I'm not surprised kuti vakanzi vari kubenefita from that because hazviiti makore sewaya vanga vari papower vamunangagwa, asi zvinhu zvakadaro zvese zvichiitika izvi mbavha dzese dzakavakomberedza. Saka you want to tell me kuti haatozvizivi? He knows very well what is happening. And how many times has he been told kuti asiyane nekuassociatana naChivayo? Chivayo's image is tainted, is destroyed. Why go around naChivayo? Encourage vari kuwana upi president. So it means the president vari kutofamba naChivayo, vari kutodya naChivayo naNatagwire ivavo. So havasi Mombedaka inokumirwa. You understand? He knows very well what is happening. And he is a beneficiary vezvigananda izvozvo. If he is a straight man, dai anga ari straight man, muromo mumwe, Tagwire mujeri, Chivayo mujeri, vese vanoita zvouori mujeri, vakatowanda vanatongwarara vese vaiva. You understand? Even here tino wacho mashakiro wacho should be investigated. There are a lot of issues that are implicated. So I want to tell me kuti munhu angagwa azvizive zvese izvozvo. Momudefender manje panapa group imimi kuti anzi ye president vedu. So all this, and they think you are clever, you are more intelligent than the president, and he doesn't know what is happening. He is benefiting directly. Him and his family, they are benefiting from all this loot. So my comrades, think about it. He is our president, yes, but he is faltering. He's not an upright man. He is not at all. Power corrupts. He is corrupted because of power. He's got too much power now, and he doesn't even care about people. He doesn't care about the orphans. He doesn't care about the widows. He doesn't pay care about vatana vedu vachembera vasisakwanisi kuzvibatsira. He doesn't care about the youth. And I'm surprised the youth inenge ichiomberera matakanana ari kuitika kuZimbabwe, including me yourself. Talk truth to power. Why do you want to kuita basa rokuviga ndikiri kurova imbo makaviga mpini? Tell it as it is. We don't want this president. You are wrong. What you are doing, you are covering up for these people. Recent president akabuda achitaura kuti Chivayo akabirwa naChivayo ngaaripoti. What's that? So you want to tell me what he doesn't know? He doesn't know what is happening. Matenda zese ari pana Chivayo vananhikiriwa, he doesn't benefit anything from there. Hatina kupusa my comrades. Ngatiudzane chokwadi pana batidi vanhu vanopretenda. Ngatiudzane chokwadi. The truth must go wherever it's supposed to go. Must reach the ears of the president to say people are angry. And as it is right now, I tell you, we don't know what the future holds for the people. And the people can rise up in Zimbabwe. Kana zvichiitika mune mamwe countries, people rise up against their own leaders. Kwedu zvinotaridza kuti kanishi. People will rise up because people are fed up now. And this is dangerous. If they don't care, they are stealing and they don't care. It's dangerous. One day vashamanya. I'm telling you. There is no Jesus up. One day they are going to run. I'm telling you. One day they are going to run. If they are told and they don't take heed and they continue stealing. Kubarudziko kuti havagutsikane. Kubarudzisha kuti havagutsikane. Now the country is being ravaged left, right, and center by Chinese. And they are benefiting from that. Are they Zimbabweans? Tell me kuti maZimbabweans here kuti zviri kuitika zvese zvine maChinese izvozvi vachingotora chicken change vaisa muhomwe. What about my communities are destroyed by Chinese? What about our nature? Our fields are gone. Our animals are kusina kukuraramira. And even here, they're contaminating even the water. And my Chinese are working my permanent structures with Vagare. Apana, the Torem Chinese are in Zimbabwe, are kugara chose Zimbabwe. Cannot take my properties of Garam Zimbabwe Indian. They are there to loot and go. Which is different from these whites. My whites are they called Zimbabwe their home. Rhodesia, they called Rhodesia their home. Even here in Zimbabwe, they agreed to stay in Zimbabwe. But they messed up. Yes, vakaita. But they gave us employment. They developed our education. Education in Zimbabwe. It was Smith. My roads Zimbabwe. It was called the Jewel of Africa. Who did that? Is it Mugabe? It was Smith. People were happy. Vachigara kuhighfields kwavo, vachigara mufakosi vachimukira kubasa. Jobs were there. And people were enjoying my weekends. Our people were having parties and enjoying. War came and these Ganangas, they sold a dummy to us. And we thought with their own kith and kin and we thought we were going to live better than what we were under Smith. We didn't know they were taking us for a ride like what we are seeing now. Saka ngatiudzanei chokwadi comrades, ngatiudzanei chokwadi. Kana zvamunoti henyu zvisataurwa zvakudhara izvi zvechichi hatingakangamu zvakaitwa kudhara. And inini am ZANU-PF by blood, by birth, by blood. But zvikakanganiswa ndotaura kuti zvakanganiswa izvi. Kana pasina democracy ndotaura kuti hapana democracy, because one thing chakarurirwa nevanhu kuenda kuhondo, democracy. The second thing was land. Land yacho, who's got land now? Democracy yacho, right? Vakatora land, right? Vakatora land vakapanana pachavo. People havana land. Vanhu vakutotenga zvatove Western zviri naSmith. Vanhu vatotenga land kumasabhuku. Yes, under Smith pasina sabhuku aibvumidza kutengesa land. Yainzi TTL, Tribal Trust Land. Yes, yainzi Tribal Trust Lands. Ainga ari under machiefs. Machief yazvino hachina kana power. Si zvanga ari time yaSmith. Anga ari under machiefs and pasina sabhuku kana chief aitengesa land. People were supposed to be given land zvezvinge zviri. And under Smith it was happening like that. Vanhu vaitera, handiti mutero kwete yekupenga yatiri kuona yazvino izvi. Vaitera mombe dzichidhibha. Iye zvinotaura kuri kudhibhiswa mombe ndekupi. It's our own black government. Madhibhi ese vakaparadza hakuchisina. Masabhuku ezvinezvi vakutotengesa land. You know, tell me, my ministers, even my politicians, why my big shots is ZANU-PF. My farms mangani mweno. You know, Juvan, I want to take a serana to land to Dimbra and Mundawa, chitting serana to Isaac Amarumo. Yet when we fought for land. We understand. When we fought for democracy. That was not there. But people were happy, people earned a salary, people earned wages, people were educated, vaenda kuchikoro. Tichiudzwa isusu kuti honde iri kurwa kuti vanhu vawane land, vanhu vafunde mahara. There was free health under Smith. Waenda kuclinic vanobhadharwa, vainorapwa mahara. You understand? Kwaiva nema-health inspectors vainzi vana utsanana vaitofamba vachiinspecta kumbari kwese kwekusingaoni tsvina madhodha atiri kuona izvinizva. So tell me, where is democracy? Where is the freedom? All the freedom under Smith has been taken away by this Gananda Matsotsa. Guys, let's wake up. Let us wake up. Honestly, let us wake up. We need to rise up. First thing, these Chinese, the Russians, who are with loot minerals, they should stop forthwith. Then we should draft a policy. Kana aruda kuinvesta muZimbabwe ngaopen a factory no employer munhu vanhu. Kwete kuti vanhu vanouya kuzoita kwari asingagoni kuchera kwari muZimbabwe ndiani. Asingagoni kublasta kwari ndiani zvoti zvinganidhe muChinese anobva kuChina kuzoita kwari. If they are serious about investing, kana ari ma-investors for real, they should open factories to employ people. Zvinotipei isusu ma-minerals edu ari kungokuviwa akadaro pasina beneficiation. It means ma-minerals edu ari kutorwa, they are creating employment in China. Yet our kids here zvinezvi are graduating. How many graduates dzegore rino dzega dzakagraduate zvinezvi good this year? Where are the jobs? Munhu anotorela nokuti achika graduate kudaro, the next thing kutotsvagira mari kuti atore passport aende kune dzimwe nyika dzakagadzirwa nevamwe kuti atsvage basa nemwe nyika. What about our country?